Flax seeds, also known as linseeds, are small oil seeds that have gained recognition as a superfood due to their rich nutritional profile and numerous health benefits. They have been cultivated for centuries and are used in various forms, including whole seeds, ground meal, oil powder, tablets, capsules, and flour. Here's a breakdown of the significant benefits associated with flax seeds. 1. Rich in nutrients. Flax seeds are an excellent plant-based source of alpha-linolenic acid (ALA), a type of omega-3 fatty acid crucial for heart health. ALA is an essential fatty acid, meaning the body cannot produce it, so it must be obtained from the diet. They are packed with both soluble and insoluble fiber. Soluble fiber can help regulate blood sugar and cholesterol levels, while insoluble fiber aids in digestion and promotes bowel regularity. Flax seeds are one of the richest dietary sources of lignans, which are plant compounds with antioxidant and phytoestrogen properties. Flax seeds provide a good amount of plant-based protein. They contain essential vitamins and minerals, including thiamine, vitamin B1, copper, magnesium, phosphorus, manganese, selenium, zinc, vitamin B6, iron, and folate. 2. Heart health. The high fiber content, along with ALA and lignans, contributes to reducing total cholesterol and LDL bad cholesterol levels. Studies suggest that regular consumption of flax seeds can help lower both systolic and diastolic blood pressure. Omega-3s and lignans may help reduce inflammation and prevent the buildup of plaque in arteries, atherosclerosis, thereby lowering the risk of heart disease and stroke. Plant-based omega-3s may also help in maintaining the heart's natural rhythm. 3. Digestive health. The high fiber content, particularly insoluble fiber, adds bulk to the stool and promotes regular bowel movements, acting as a natural laxative. The fiber in flax seeds feeds beneficial gut bacteria, contributing to a healthy digestive system. 4. Blood sugar control. Regulates blood sugar levels. The soluble fiber in flax seeds slows down digestion, which can help regulate blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals with type 2 diabetes or 1 prediabetes. 5. Weight management. Promotes satiety. The soluble fiber, particularly mucilage, forms a gel-like substance when mixed with water, slowing down digestion and promoting a feeling of fullness. This can help in managing weight by reducing overall calorie intake. Some studies suggest that regular consumption of whole flax seeds can lead to reductions in body weight and waist circumference. 6. Anti-inflammatory effects. ALA and lignans in flax seeds may help reduce inflammation in the body, which is associated with various chronic diseases like arthritis, asthma, and Parkinson's disease. Skin health and Ayurvedic medicine. Flaxseed is used to restore the skin's pH balance. Flaxseed oil can also be applied topically as a moisturizer. How to incorporate flax seeds into your diet. Flax seeds have a mild nutty flavor and can be easily added to various foods. Sprinkle ground flaxseed on oatmeal, yogurt, or salads. Stir it into smoothies, shakes, soups, stews, sauces, or gravies. Add it to baked goods like muffins, cookies, bread, pancakes, and waffles.